but I think there's something deeper, darker. I think that there's a lot of hate against Israel. Now, left-wing ideology is very involved in viewing things in terms of power. It's about viewing the powerful against the weak, taking the side of the weak, and that's commendable. I think, though, when you take that to viewing things in terms of power can only get you so far. So there's a lot of nuances that we need to take into consideration. So because many on the left view things in terms of power, it often causes an anti-Israel sentiment and also anti-Semitic sentiment, right? So Jews are overrepresented in many industries and also in terms of the wealth that they own, right? The wealth that Jews have in proportion to the amount of Jews that exist is higher than most other populations. Well, if you view things in terms of power, wealthy versus poor, then you're going to start to view Jews as this small, powerful group, and then we start to, naturally you start to think negative things about them because you see them as the other, as the enemy, as the powerful elite. Let's take Israel, for example, slightly different example, but you have Israel, the powerful military against the weak Palestinians. You could see why many on the left would take an anti-Israel stance. So these are two examples, both one with Jews, one with Israelis, where they're perceived as powerful.